Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delightful culinary adventure with a mouth-watering dish, savory tomato eggplant rice stir fry. No time to waste, let's jump right in. First up, let's prepare the star of the show, the eggplant. Chop it into delectable pieces and give them a gentle coat of cornstarch. Don't they look ready for a flavor-packed journey? Our trusty scallions are up next, ready to shine in both their white and green glory. Slice the white part into charming segments and give the green part a fine chop, a colorful combination for a colorful dish. Time to unveil the secret ingredient, juicy tomatoes. Peel and slice them with anticipation. We're building layers of taste here. Now, let's concoct our flavor potion. In a bowl, blend oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, ketchup, a sprinkle of salt, and a touch of cornstarch and water. Mix it all together until it harmonizes into a sauce worth savoring. The pot takes center stage now. Heat it up about 60 to 70% hot. In goes the eggplant, sizzling its way to a golden brown goodness. Once it's achieved that perfect hue, let it rest for a moment on the side. Toss in the white part of those scallions and oh, that aroma! It's time for the sliced tomatoes to join the sizzling party, releasing their juices as they dance in the heat. Now, let's transform rice into a canvas of flavors. Gently fluff up the cooked white rice, let it shine as individual grains, ready to soak in the deliciousness. Bring back the star player, the golden eggplant, along with the rice and that enchanting sauce we crafted earlier. Stir fry them together, a symphony of textures and tastes coming to life in the pan. And there you have it, a masterpiece in the making. Sprinkle those chopped green scallions like confetti on top, a fresh finish to a plate full of magic. Your savory tomato eggplant rice stir fry is now ready to grace your taste buds. Dive in, savor each bite, and let the flavors take you on a culinary journey like no other. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until our next culinary escapade, happy cooking!